You're abusing me. You're abusing me. You're abusing me. I didn't beat you.
Stop.
I have a right. I didn't bite you.
Yes.
On August 24th, 2023, Indiana State Police Trooper Lucky initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle suspected of operating while intoxicated. What followed would generate 4 separate criminal charges rooted entirely in decisions made by the passenger in full view of law enforcement.
What's your name, ma'am?
Latanya.
Latanya, I'm Trooper Lucky with the Indiana State Police. He explained why we stopped you guys, right? Okay. Gotcha. I was just looking at this picture here. I thought maybe it didn't quite look like you.
That's me.
What's the last 4 years? Okay, I appreciate you. We'll be right back with you.
Okay.
I'll have you come back here, okay? If you want to sit on the curb, you can.
I'm sure because I'll get stiff.
You what?
I'll get stiff. Be hard for me to get up.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, you're good then.
Yeah, I just got out of the car. I just got out.
For what?
Failure to appear.
For what?
Probation.
Come on, face the car.
Why? Oh no, that's why I ain't got no warrants. I don't have no warrants.
Team.
What's wrong?
Stop.
I don't have no warrants.
Stop. I'll talk to you in a second.
What's
Stop.
wrong? I ain't did nothing.
Okay.
No, I did. No, I did.
Let go.
I don't have anything. That wasn't me.
Hey, ma'am, if you resist me, I'm going to charge you with resisting arrest.
Sorry, that was not me. I promise I ain't
Stop
done
resisting
shit.
him.
That
Stop.
wasn't me. I haven't did anything. Please, sir, I
Stop.
haven't did anything.
We're not going anywhere until you calm down.
Okay, I haven't did anything.
If you calm down, I'll talk to you.
Okay, I haven't
Is that
done
fair?
anything.
Is that fair?
I haven't done anything.
All right.
I promise.
So right now I want you to relax your arms. Relax your arms. Okay. So don't tense up on me again. Okay. I want you to spread your feet. Okay. And I want you to relax your arms. Okay. All right. Just like this. Don't pull away from me again. Okay. All right. Let your arms go. Touch the back of your hands together, ma'am.
Put the back of your hands together like this.
Stop.
Okay? Yep. Exactly. There you go.
I haven't did anything.
You're good. Okay. Don't move. Okay. You're just being detained. We'll figure it out. Don't worry. You got any more on you?
No, that's not mine. That don't belong to me. That's not mine. I promise you that.
Stop moving.
That's not my I promise
I
you.
watched you throw it on the ground.
I ain't throw nothing on the ground. I promise you I did.
This is a camera.
Okay, I didn't throw nothing on the ground. I promise. You didn't see me throw nothing.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. You telling a story. You didn't hear me throw nothing. That was not mine. I stood right there. You didn't hear me throw nothing in the ground. If I thrown it, I would have thrown it in front of you.
I actually think you dropped it on accident, if I'm being honest.
I don't have nothing. I don't do that. Oh, my mama, that's not mine.
Hey, you got any coke?
No, I don't have none.
No, okay.
No, I just came to my sister's house.
She had coke on her, okay, so she's going to jail for that. Is there any more in the car?
No, I just picked her up. She just got in right there on 15.
Okay. Who does the car belong to?
That's my car.
Okay. Can I search it?
Yeah, I don't have nothing in my car.
Okay. Just stay here for a second. The reason why I wanted you to sit over here, not on the curb, is because the coke she threw was right there in the grass. I just didn't want you near it, so that way there's no miscommunication. Okay?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, good deal.
I'm hot, sir.
I understand it.
Please. That's not mine. Okay. That's not mine.
I appreciate it.
That's not mine, sir. That's not mine.
Can you move? Actually, I'll just go.
It's hot. Highlighters. I don't have any. That's a lighter. Mine. Where my phone at? That's not my stuff.
Your phone's in the purse.
Okay.
I'm giving you a chance to be honest before I search your purse. If there's more in here, I'm not willing to work with you. But if you're honest, I will work with you. I know I'm going to find some coke or something in there, so tell me what I'm going to find and I'll be honest, and I'll work with you.
That's not mine. They're going to lock me up.
Okay.
Yeah, there's nothing in there. Some guys, there's nothing in there.
Okay.
Nothing. Nothing. That's not mine.
Do you have a medical condition we should know about, ma'am?
Yes,
what do you have?
I have failure heart. Congestive failure heart. Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you need to see a doctor right now?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes, I'm sweating bullets.
Do you want EMS to come here?
Yes.
Okay. Little 13255.
That's
Passengers
don't
requesting
belong
a
to me,
1052.
That's not mine. Can I have my asthma, please?
I gotta tell the ambulance what.
That's not mine. That does not belong to me.
The traffic stop is a seizure under the Fourth Amendment. Every occupant in the vehicle is subject to that seizure. The Supreme Court held in Maryland v. Wilson decided in 1997 that officers may approach and detain all passengers during a lawful stop. Separating the passenger from the driver is not arbitrary. It is tactically and legally sound officer safety procedure. When the passenger discarded cocaine onto the grass, she triggered the plain view doctrine. Under Horton v. California, law enforcement may seize evidence without a warrant. When officers are lawfully present, the item is in plain view, and its incriminating nature is immediately apparent. All three elements were satisfied the moment she threw the narcotics. Her repeated claim that the cocaine did not belong to her has no legal force under Indiana's constructive possession doctrine. Under Galladay v. State, Indiana Court of Appeals, 2010, possession requires only knowledge of the contraband and the capability and intent to exercise control over it. Officers witness the act directly. Denial is not a defense. When officers moved to handcuff the passenger and she pulled away, she committed a separate criminal offense. Indiana Code Section 35, 44.131. The resisting law enforcement statute requires only that a person forcibly resist an officer lawfully executing duties. Officers had probable cause. The arrest was lawful. Resistance was not. A search incident to arrest requires no warrant. The Supreme Court established this in Chemmel v. California. Upon lawful arrest, officers are authorized to search the person fully. The search revealed only a lighter, no additional narcotics. This is significant. The officers reported exactly what they found, nothing more. At the hospital, the passenger demanded access to a psychiatrist before officers could move her, claiming this as a constitutional right. That claim is incorrect. The Sixth Amendment right to counsel attaches at the initiation of formal criminal proceedings, not at the moment of arrest, not during transport, and not on demand at a medical facility. There is no constitutional provision requiring law enforcement to provide mental health consultation before processing a lawful arrest. The battery allegation is the most legally consequential moment in this footage.
Hey, stop moving your arms when she's trying to search you.
I don't have anything.
Did she let you search?
Yeah,
That's all I have is a lighter.
There.
That's it.
Yeah, this
That's all
is
I
all
have.
it is.
Is
Nothing.
that more coke?
No.
Is that what you found?
Yeah.
No, he
Well, then
found
I'm
no
not
coke
opening
on me. He haven't found no drugs on me.
I did.
No, you did. You said I dropped something. I didn't drop nothing, sir. That's not mine.
To drive with her at this
That's
point?
not mine. You wrong. And then you say stuff was on his seat. That's not mine. I just got in the car with him. I promise you.
Have you taken vitals on her? No.
I promise you.
Because if she doesn't need to be transported by you, I can just transport her.
Yes, Amy, I'm going to the hospital. Just bring me my property. You got you wrong.
You okay if I take you to the hospital?
No, I want to go with them. Let them bring me my property, but you wrong. You accusing me of something.
I'll take that.
You
Put it with the other
wrong.
evidence.
That sounds nothing in the nothing.
Yeah, she
Nothing.
can't go with us if she's gonna act like that.
Nothing. I'm just saying. He's talking about
Okay.
that. Okay.
Hey, listen to
Okay.
me. Listen to me.
Yeah, wrong. Bro, I will help you.
This officer right here is going to transport you to the hospital. Okay.
I'm gonna come jumping up there and say you wrong. You're accusing me,
Hey,
sir.
hey,
I don't have anything. That's not mine.
listen.
That's not
gonna
mine.
transport you to the
That's
hospital,
mine, but
okay?
That's not mine.
Where was this at?
In my bra. I keep a lighter in my bra. I smoke cigarettes.
What's the paper towel?
My baby, look how I be sweating, sir. Ain't nothing in there. I promise you. I don't have no drugs. I didn't have no drugs, sir.
Okay.
That's mine.
Come on, come with us.
I have a right to talk to a therapist. I want to talk to a therapist. Please, before you take me, let me talk to a therapist, please.
No therapist.
A psychiatrist, yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Stop screaming.
Please, I'm not doing anything wrong.
People in this hospital are sick, and you're keeping
I'm
them
sick, but y'all don't care nothing about me being
People in this
sick.
hospital are literally dying. and you're
Okay,
trying to
I'm
keep them
dying
away.
too.
You're not dying.
I got heart failure.
You're perfectly fine.
No, that's what I'm saying.
They're perfectly
They'll
fine.
tell y'all anything. I want to talk to a psychiatrist.
Okay.
I need to talk to a psychiatrist. So you're treating a base or whatever on me. And I want to talk to a psychiatrist. I want to talk to a psychiatrist. psychiatrist.
Keep your arms down.
Keep
your arms down, okay?
I want to talk to a psychiatrist.
There's kids in the hospital.
Okay,
Keep your arms down.
talk to the psychiatrist. I want to talk to the psychiatrist. Please, Dr. Therapy. Please. For 1 minute, can I talk to a therapy?
Stand up.
I want to talk to a therapist.
She just keeps putting them down.
I want to talk to a psychiatrist.
We're just gonna have to force her up.
Okay. Oh, now you got crazy. My brains are real gonna be fucked up.
Stop.
For real, I want to talk to a therapist.
Right.
Can I talk to the therapist? It's a psychiatrist here. A psychiatrist.
Stand up.
It's a psychiatrist. I want to talk to a psychiatrist. I want to talk to a psychiatrist. You gotta have my hands out. I want to talk to a therapist. Let me pull my phone.
Stop it.
Let me pull my phone.
Just walk.
Let me pull my phone. You hate me. You hate me. You hate me. You're abusing me. You're abusing me. You're abusing me. Yeah, you hurt me.
All right, come on.
You hurt me. I was talking to sorry. I have a right to talk to a counselor, please. I have a right. I have a right. I have a right. I have a right. Wait a minute. I have a right.
Hey, she just bit me.
I didn't bite you.
Stop.
I have a right.
Stop.
I didn't bite you.
Yes,
I have
you
a
did.
right. I did not bite
Hey.
you.
Your hand.
I did not bite you.
She's bit me.
I have a right to come to a therapy. I have
No,
a
I
right.
don't think you went through the glove. She
I
tried.
didn't bite you.
Stop.
I have a right to talk to a therapist. And I'm not feeling good. Y'all can force me out here. I have a right. I have a right. I have a right. I have a right.
Just bit me.
I did not bite you.
Can you contact Maryville for a case charge? Contact her.
Y'all wrong. I did nothing wrong. I want to talk to a therapy. I did nothing wrong. And y'all come in here and tell me I'm fine.
Stop.
I'm just doing this. I'm not going nowhere. You tell me I'm fine. And I'm not fine. I'm not fine, sir. I'm not. Please understand, I'm not fine.
Stop moving your head.
Again.
Stop.
Why?
Because you're biting.
Why? I'm not
Stop
biting.
moving your head.
I'm not biting you. Take your hand off of my head. Take your hand off of my head. Please. Please take your hand off of my head. You ain't gonna take me like
Okay,
that.
don't bite then.
I wouldn't even let get off of me like that.
Okay, don't bite.
You ain't gonna treat me like I'm a dog. Quit doing that. That's what y'all police do. Quit treating me like I'm a fucking dog. I am sick and y'all don't give a fuck. I want to talk to a psychiatrist. Y'all don't give a fuck. That's what y'all do to black people. Treat us like shit. Everywhere we go, y'all treat us like shit. Every time a police get involved, it's about shit. And that's not.
Under Indiana Code Section 35-42-2-1, battery against a law enforcement officer resulting in bodily injury is a level 5 felony carrying a potential sentence of 1 to 6 years under Indiana Code Section 35-52-1.4. If the bite broke skin, that single act elevated this encounter from misdemeanor territory to a serious felony charge. The use of force at the hospital, specifically controlling the passenger's head and arms, must be analyzed under Graham v. Connor, decided by the Supreme Court in 1989. The standard requires objective reasonableness, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene at the moment of the decision. 3 factors govern: the severity of the crime, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether she is actively resisting. All 3 factors justified a measured physical response. Active resistance plus a reported bite equals an elevated threat level. The disorderly conduct charge is grounded in Indiana Code Section 35-45-1-3. The statute requires unreasonable noise in a public place. After a law enforcement officer requests the person to stop, officers made multiple requests. The conduct continued. A hospital is unambiguously a public place under Indiana law. The factual predicate for this charge is established in the footage itself. Trooper Lucky receives a B+. The initial contact, passenger separation, evidence preservation, immediate EMS request upon a medical claim, and de-escalation during handcuffing all reflect legal and tactical competence. One area of concern, the statement "I'll work with you if you're honest," creates potential ambiguity regarding implied promises, a phrase that, while standard technique, can create complications during prosecution. The passenger receives a D. She discarded controlled narcotics in plain view, physically resisted a lawful arrest, sustained disruptive behavior in a medical facility, and allegedly battered an officer, each decision compounding the last. The rights she invoked did not exist in the form she claimed them. The rights she possessed, primarily the right to remain silent, were never meaningfully exercised. Every statement she made confirmed rather than rebutted the officer's account. 3 legal lessons apply directly to any citizen stopped by law enforcement. First, discarding contraband in the presence of officers does not eliminate possession. It establishes it through direct observation and the plain view doctrine. Second, the right to remain silent is the most powerful right available at the point of detention. Continuous denial without legal counsel is almost always counterproductive. Third, resisting a lawful arrest, regardless of whether one believes the underlying charge is just, creates independent criminal liability and removes any legal high ground. The appropriate remedy for an unlawful arrest is the courtroom, not physical resistance at the scene. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.